Do a roll and see how things work on it.
Sure. Where do you want to roll from?
Start back there.
But where do you want to hit the throttle?
Well, you just have somebody flag us.
No, we can do it when we pass the cone.
That doesn't work so well.
Okay, then ask Mike to do it. But here's my question for you. If we're going to do a roll, where do you want him to flag us? Approximate. Okay. Hey, Mike, we're trying to gather a little data. Fred and I were going to do a rollout so we can see more of the top end. But when we get around right here, can you just do what you did?
Sure.
Unless you want to race this race here.
All that's to do is pretty quick out of here.
Okay, let's do a rollout. Did you do any data gathering?
No.
I hit 100.
You should run that one skidoo.
Oh, I'm going to run everything I can run.
Yeah, it's quick out of the gate.
How did it do once we punched it?
What?
I didn't even look over to see you.
You pulled away.
Okay. She's flying, man. She's flying.
Is that what they do? Just fire to blow one up?
Well, you know, my question would be, why would it blow up? The motor, I haven't done anything to the motor. All right, let's go find some more.
Look for that one skidoo though, because it comes out quick, but I think you'll spank him.
Okay.